everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can probably tell I'm actually recording this on my iPhone today just because I wanted to make it more like a vloggy, casual kind of video, just because I am only cleaning my makeup brushes. I didn't want to make it like a full sit down video with like my lights and my camera and everything. So in today's video what I'm going to do is show you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. And I swear to God, like literally I get asked all the time on my Instagram like how I clean my brushes, what's that wee product you always use in your brushes that you always talk about, how do you use these certain products to clean your brushes. Like I get so many brush cleaning related questions, it's ridiculous. So I thought today I would just come on and show you exactly what I do to clean my brushes. And I want to quickly mention as well, I'm always looking for ways in which I can clean my brushes the most fastest way, the most effective way, and also the most easiest way as well, because I know years ago before I used to dread cleaning my makeup brushes because you would have been standing at the sink for literal hours, busting your back, standing for ages, constantly cleaning your brushes and having to like go over them and over them and over them. So today I'm going to show you the way in which I like to deep clean my brushes and also the way in which I like to kind of spot clean my brushes in between clients and things like that too. So yeah, excuse the way I look, I'm just really casual today. Hair's up, half down, slept with plaits in last night and my hair's a mess, but we're not looking at me today. These ones here, by the way, are like my ones that I use for my own personal collection at home, and then these two ones in the pink pots are the ones that I use in the shop for my clients and stuff. So these are like my clienty ones and these are all my personal use brushes, but sometimes I switch them up and change them and just decide. But I love all my brushes. They're mostly Morphe, Zoeva, Peaches and Cream. There's a few paint brushes in there and just random Primark ones. I've been collecting brushes now for years, so that's why I do have loads. Like there's brushes and stuff sitting there. There's brushes literally everywhere. My house is coming down with them. So I've literally just brought you into my bathroom so I can show you exactly what products I use and everything else. I just find with products like baby shampoo and fairy liquid, they do work, but they just take a little bit more time. And the products that I'm showing you today, you'll have your whole brush collection cleaned and like, you know, you can have it done so fast and so easy. Whenever I'm cleaning my makeup brushes, I'm either going to spot clean them, which is just what I do kind of in between clients and like my quick and easy routine, and then I also have a more like deep cleansing intense routine as well, which I'm going to show you everything about too. So guys, this here is pretty much the product that I have found that just works absolutely amazingly to deep clean your brushes. You know your foundation brushes that you would normally be sitting scrubbing for ages, you literally just need to dunk this into the soap once, and I mean like see whenever you go like this a couple of times all the foundation just literally melts off. It's so easy, like there's no effort at all when using this product, because I used to spend hours cleaning my brushes and I used to dread it, but see with this it's actually satisfying because you're just like in shock at how well this actually works. So you're like, whoa, like how have I ever lived without this stuff? So if I'm not using this, I'll be using this little product right here. This here is Surgical Spirit, and this is pretty much like a really intense high alcohol disinfectant cleansing kind of multi-use product. Salons, dentists, doctors, hospitals and stuff would all use this kind of product because it's really high in alcohol, so it's really good at disinfectant and cleansing whatever you're cleaning. But also the fact that there is so much alcohol in it as well, alcohol evaporates super fast, which means that it also dries really quickly, and that's why this product especially is super good to use, you know, whenever you're cleaning your brushes in between clients and stuff, because obviously you don't have time to go ahead and sit and do a deep clean on your brush. If you're working back to back with your clients, you need to have something that you can easily just swirl your brush in and then it's going to dry and kind of mini clean them before you do your deep clean, obviously that night or the day after you're working or whatever else. But even if you're not a makeup artist and for your own personal use, having a wee bottle of this is just a lifesaver. See if you only have a couple of brushes and have a bottle of this, you don't actually need a load of brushes because you can always use this product to clean your brushes in between. Like I'll just dip my eyeshadow brush into this, go like this in my towel, and then because the obviously air's getting at the alcohol, it literally just evaporates and dries within like 10 seconds. It's awesome. This product here is so convenient for spot cleaning and obviously getting your brushes cleaned very quickly in between clients, super easy, fast, dries really quick. And then obviously this one here is good for just your more like intense deep cleaning, but you'll see whenever I start using them how effective they actually are. Always just make sure you have little antibacterial wipes as well so that you can use these to clean your handle and everything else of your brushes too, so these are also really handy. And another little item that I have as well that makes my experience when cleaning my brushes a little bit easier and quicker and everything else are these little things right here. I got these in Poundland in a pack of 3, and you pretty much just hold them, like you can put your finger on it like this and just like hold your hand, you know, pretty much just put it on your finger and then use your brush on this. Obviously because it has a little bit of texture on it, it helps to get within your brushes, and there's a couple of different obviously little textures on the top. But like I said, these are from Poundland, it cost me £1, but you can get other similar things in like Primark. Just keep an eye out in like the brush cleansing areas. But like I said, I got these in Poundland and they are super handy because you can just stick your wee finger on them and just hold them at your sink and use them to help clean your brushes and to help get right in between the bristles and stuff. So these are also really handy to have. to clean the brushes over like a tissue and stuff, because I feel like as soon as you wet a tissue, it just all balls up and goes all funny, and then you're picking out wee bits and everything. It's just a waste of time. So I find using a towel is just way more effective, and it just keeps everything super clean, because it means you can just throw this into the wash after you finish with it. So it's all good. I've literally got a little bowl here that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to pour some of this into this like that. A few of these brushes also have foundation and concealer in them, so those products are a little bit tougher to get out, but I'll show you how much the surgical spread actually gets them out and how well it does it. And then obviously I've got ones here with some eyeshadow on the brushes. You can see I've got like a brown, there's blue on this, and it's just like a lighter eyeshadow. I'll even try one with like a really dark, there's one there. I'll try this one with a really dark and show you guys how this works too. So what I'm going to do is literally dip this into the surgical spread just once. So I've literally just dipped it in once, and now I'm just going to go around in circular motions on my little towel to show you how well this cleans it. So I'm just going around in circular motions, and you can see automatically it takes the bulk of the product off, and you can see like the majority of product is off that brush. I'm going to dip it in again and just do it a second time round, and you can see just by doing that a couple of times all the product is mostly out of the brush. And then obviously as you're doing this, it's drying super quick, so you can see now that this brush is pretty much bone dry, all the product's off it, and it's good to use again. Easy, done. And that's how easy and quick that literally is. And then I'll show you this one with the blue on it. So I'm just dipping it into the product and going around in circular motions to get the majority of it off. Dip it in again and just go around a couple of times, and you can see like, the more times you dip it in, you'll surprise yourself at how much product is actually in that brush. So this is the third time I've dipped it in, and you can see this time there's barely any product that's come off. There we go, completely dry and ready to use, which is so good. Like, it's just clean my brushes, they're dry, they're easy, and they're good to go. So that's pretty much how I use this. I'll just dip it in a couple of times, go around on a little towel, and just make sure that's totally dry, and it's pretty much done. So quick and so easy. You need this product in your life like right now. So now I'm going to show you how I use the Bold Gel and how well this product works as well for like a more deep clean and more intense clean for your makeup brushes. So these are the brushes that I'm going to show you today using the Bold Gel, so you guys are going to see how quick and easy this actually works. What you want to do first is just completely saturate the whole brush with the water first, so just making sure this is completely soaked, and then what I'll do is literally just dip this into the liquid a couple times. So I have just dipped the brush into the liquid, and now I'm just going round and round in circular motions on my little silicone brush cleansing thing right here. And then whenever you have your wee brushes clean, what you can do is take one of your wee antibacterial wipes just to clean around the handle, because obviously there's germs on your hands, there's germs literally live everywhere. So I just take a wee antibac wipe just to clean around every single one of the brushes, and your brushes just look like brand new again. So to dry them, what I'll do is just go around and get any excess water on a little towel again, and I'll just lay them flat and just let them dry overnight to make sure they're completely dry for the next time I want to use them. So guys, that's pretty much how I clean my makeup brushes, and I'm sorry that this video is really casual and like vlog style, but you guys seem to like my more casual videos, and to be honest, I didn't want to do a full like professional sit down video just showing you guys something so simple, and I just thought I would show you exactly what I do regarding cleaning my brushes. So if anybody has any questions about anything, comment down below and let me know, and if you want me to do any more kind of casual wee talk through tutorial style videos like this, then just comment down below and let me know as well. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and liked all my little tips and tricks, then just give it a wee thumbs up, and please subscribe down below and let me know your thoughts. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.